Please be seated, ladies and gentlemen, or not. The movie is about to begin. Vikas Kandola for the Bengaluru Bulls stretches his calves there, thinks the better of it.
If not now, then when? Up he goes! Down he comes! Gets two! Me too!
Did you look at that jump?
A threat to your throne. All right, Bharat is tall. Bharat uses the height very well. Level as down as the right corner. Saurabh, yes! That is what is called anticipation.
And that is why the Bengaluru Bulls look to be unflappable this season.
Running away from him. And now he will be running away to the bench. Well done, Aman.
Find it, grind it, Mithu was blindsided.
Here he's got a license. He has been ushered off the match.
I wanted to swim, but he has to sink. Go for it or not go for it. Should I sink or should I swim? Should I stay or should I go?
When you know, oh, Dubki! Dubki! Pardeep Narwal, you don't have a copyright on that.
Number 21 out.
With the assist, with the number of tackle points as well. He's thrown in the kick. Mithu goes up. They come down hard on him. Trampled with impunity.
This just hasn't been working for Mithu today, has it? I mean, this is the third time.
He has a chance to bring about a change. And the change is going to be that 1 point that he's searching for. He has not opened his account today. Manjeet has been... Now he goes through. Oh, he realizes there's a gap and it's not one. It is just might be more than one. That's Rakesh Narwal for you. Apologies.
There you go. Let's see how this goes for them. Mithu has a point here. The Bengaluru Bulls now in a serious spot of bother.
You have to be quick, else you'll be found on the bench. 7 seconds and under, gone! Well done, defense. They rusted the enemy vulnerable with the weight and then they bounced with their body weight. That is what used to be the strategy for Pardeep Narwal earlier on, because one line of defense never could control him. Bharat last time breaks 2 points. Bharat will perish. Defense will cherish.
I tell you what, Nitin Raval is not having too shabby a season, is he? I mean, quietly are those boys in red.
Bharat gone. You should never test how deep the water is with both your feet. This is our street. Better be quick on your feet.
1 point, Haryana Steelers.
Raiders' responsibility to revive another one. Bharat, he goes for him. Neeraj, the other side, gave a point. Here he leaks a point.
1 point.
Fantastic
Haryana
anticipation
Steelers.
by Mithu
Number
though.
10 out.
Retreating with a nonchalant look on his face, but I'm sure inside he had a few questions to ask himself.
1 point.
And that
Bengaluru
wait
Bulls.
didn't last too long,
Number
did
7
it?
out.
Bharat goes yet again, looking to produce that big moment. The big Raider is flat on the mat.
Super tackle.
Well, we hear of
2 points.
Jay Moore, but have we
Haryana
heard of
Steelers.
Jay Pa? 6 point difference, the game is yours. Get me 1 point, the game is yours. There you go, Vikas Kandola has it. This is what he does.
Bengaluru
This is
Bulls.
what he said.
Number
Oh, bonus. Now this is sad. Now you need a mighty net. Come on, give us a 5.1. Does he get one? Not yet. Oh, he's happy with 1. You just might not win this. Takes 1. He's happy with 1. All right.
He's the last man standing for the Haryana Steelers. And Manjeet, he has a point here. That brings another man onto the mat. The coach is not liking this.
Okay. They started it again, and now this is
Haryana
bad
Steelers.
calculation from the Bulls.
1 plus
They've
3
calculated
points.
this very, very poorly. But at the end of the day, they have an all-out. But they'll invite them back on the mat, and then they'll call it. Yes, that is what the protocol is.
Hang on, that is what it takes to win against the Bengaluru Bulls. Just 1 man left standing. Padamjeet Sherawat, have you ever seen this? A side winning a game with just 1 of the 7 on the mat.
Well done.